Hi friends. Well, here we are back at the house, here for an update, and look at this. We've got a front entrance here. They just built this, and we we had some issues with it, but we were gonna make it at that level, just about right at the top of that, where the door entrance was, but because we were banging into something on the other side. But guess what? We worked it out and we made it 12 feet, and I love it now. So I'm so much happier. So I'm glad you get to see that. It's going to be gorgeous. Big structure, big 10-foot doors, I think, going through. So yeah, hello. So then we would be coming into the courtyard this way. And how's everybody doing in the world? It's just crazy, this virus. There's the pool. I showed you that last time, but I have a surprise for you. And I'm going to show it to you in a minute. But look, so there it is. There's the front entrance. And the little issue is this little balcony right here. But we worked it out. So anyways, it'll be really spectacular, those doors there to the courtyard. So that's new this week. But so last time I told you about our pool. And we're supposed to get the windows and doors this week, so that'll be exciting for my next video. So don't forget to subscribe because I do this every week, my updates. But yep, here's the pool. Come out here. It's a very gloomy day, which is appropriate. It just feels like the world is gloomy right now, and it's with a heavy heart what's going on in this world right now. But anyways, this over here is where they're going to do the fire pit. So that's what all that brick is. But look at this. This is going to be 2 planters with a fire in the back of it and a waterfall in the front of it. How great is that? And there's the pool. But my new exciting thing is over here. So I don't know if you remember, but there is a little Zen spa area off of the master. So you come in the master here. Hello. Can't wait to get those windows and doors. See, they're prepping all the windows there. And yeah. And oh, here's a little something. Doggy door, doggy door. Oh, that'll be my dog run on the side of the house. Anyways, so here's the master here, but look at this. So coming through, oh, and I don't know if they prepped the shower pans last time, but see this? And see that water in there? Because guess what? They have to make sure that it's working properly, so they fill it up with water. So that's kind of exciting. So this is this master shower, and yeah, exciting. But here it is. Okay, this here, ta-da, Zen spa area off of the master. Gotta love it. So you would be coming out here. There's gonna be an outside shower on the wall here. That's what this is. Right here, that'll be the outside shower. We got a little jacuzzi. So this is the workout room through there. So you go in here, have a little workout. Then you go over here, have a little shower. Then you jump in the jacuzzi. Yes, please. Love that. So, and then they're gonna build a wall. So that's what the metal rebar right there, because they're gonna build a block wall right there. And then we're gonna do some sort of cool like Zen stonework. And I'm also gonna do a little border of 4-inch border of like pebbles all around this border here. It's hard to explain, but hey, stick with me, people. All right, then moving along, we'll go back through here and we'll go upstairs and see what's new upstairs this week. So that was the master, and I think you've seen the casita before, so we don't need to go there, but that's the casita through there. Casita. Not much has changed in there. This is the courtyard, of course. Now we've got the front entrance. Love it. And so what else is going on? Okay, so there's the kitchen. That'll be the kitchen, dining room with the fireplace, hallway. There's a bedroom down here. This is the powder. Not much has changed here. Oh, we are going to have little sconces on either side right there. Light sconces. That'll be cool. And this is a bedroom here. So we got 3 bedrooms downstairs, master, the casita, and this bedroom here. And then, oh, see, yeah, they did the shower in here too. So there you go. Shower with the water. Oh, and they did the soap niche. dish, you know, whatever, soap area for shampoo and whatnot. And I did it kind of long because I'm gonna put a shelf in the middle of it. So that's my idea. And okay, so let's go upstairs. So down the hallway. Oh, and they got the speakers. All these things that you see here, that's all speakers. So yeah. All right, let's go upstairs. And what do we got up here? I think, well, I'm not sure what's new, but we'll find out. Oh, I wanted to show you. Remember I took out the wall right there? So that's cool. They're gonna start insulating, I believe, next week. The windows and doors are coming next week. Got the tile guys all measuring per tile. So, okay, I'll give you a view from up here. So that front entrance, there it is. That's gonna be so cool. Love it. There's our upper deck. We'll go over there. Again, they're just prepping the showers here. That's been the big news this week. Oh, and they're prepping the decks for tile and whatnot. So they're getting all that ready. We'll go out here again. And here's the gloomy day. Real gloomy. It's just what the world feels like, is gloom and doom a little bit. But Lord willing, we will be at the top of the apex and we'll get the curve straightened out and we will live to see another day and pray for protection over our families and our loved ones. And anyways, let's see. Oh yeah, they're just getting ready here with this deck. They prepped the deck here. There's gonna be a sink up here. So there's gonna be a refrigerator and a sink. And then there's gonna be bar stools and like a bar there. And then up here, getting all this ready. I'm not gonna, yeah. So this is our upper deck. Pretty cool. Even on a cloudy day, it's still pretty up here. And yeah, I'll show you that front entrance one last time. There it is. So that will be the front entrance coming through to the courtyard. And again, stay safe, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back next week. And next week, I think they're gonna start laying the roof tiles on. Roof tiles and lots of things happening still. So yes, the state of California, we can still build, and thank goodness, because I wanna get out of that rental and move on with life. Okay, I love you guys, and stay tuned for next week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.